A colorblind man marries a woman with normal sight who has no history of color blindness in her family. What is the probability of their grandson being colorblind? We know that color blindness is an X-linked recessive trait. Now, coming to the color blind man, his genotype is XCY, where XC is the X chromosome carrying the color blind allele. Now, mother's genotype is XX, that is 2 normal X chromosome, because she has normal sight and no history of color blindness in her family. Now, we know that the color-blind man passes on the X chromosome to his daughters. So that is XC to the daughter, and the woman has normal vision and can pass on a normal X chromosome to her children. So that means to her daughter. So the daughter will be a carrier, that is XCX chromosome. So now when the daughter has a son, there is 50% chance that she will pass either X a normal chromosome or X chromosome carrying the color blind allele. So that means the probability of the grandson being color blind is 50%. So the answer is option B, 0.5, that is 50%.